Guys, I hope that all you are healthy and well. Did you always confused between the El Nino and La Nina? I will explain here and give tricks to remember so that you won't forget it. This is our lovely India. And when we go toward west, that is toward America. So let's move toward America. So here we are. This is North America and this is South America. So you can see give me 1 minute, let me delete it. Yeah, so here you can see it that these oceanic current, they are flowing, moving one position to another position. So they are moving from this America side to where? To Australia. Here is the Australia. So this type of oceanic current flows all over the oceans. Let have a look on them. So there are various oceanic current that responsible for the climate change in the all over the globe. So here this ocean is known as the ocean between the this continent, North America continent and South America continent, and this uh, Russia, Japan, Australia. This ocean is known as Pacific Ocean. So let's come back to our original topic, that is El Nino and La Nina. What are these? How we remember? So first I will give you the bookish definition. They are, so what are they? Hmm? They are irregular periodic variation in winds and sea surface temperature over the tropical eastern Pacific Ocean. So what is the eastern Pacific? This is Pacific, this is all Pacific Ocean. So each side should be like this. This is east. This. So it is related to the temperature of eastern Pacific Ocean. This. These two phenomena are related to the temperature variation of this eastern side of Pacific Ocean. So these are affecting the climate of much of the tropic and subtropic region. And did you know it also affects the climate of India? And when the warming phase of sea temperature, when the temperature of this eastern side, when the temperature of this eastern side is higher than, relatively higher than normal conditions, then this El Nino will form. And when the cooling phase of this eastern Pacific Ocean is known as La Nina. This is La Nina. So don't worry about what I said. This is bookish definition. Now I will tell you the trick. Since cold or cooler both have letter L. Can you see it here? This L, cold and cooler, both have L. And also the word La Nina. This word La Nina. This is also starting with L. So you can memorize that here La Nina containing L. So this is related to colder region. This is the trick by which you can uh, easily learn what it means. So La Nina means that the eastern Pacific Ocean temperature should be relatively lower than normal position. That is, this is colder region. So here you can learn the La Nina is related to colder region. On the contrary, this El Nino means warm. That is, eastern Pacific Ocean is at relatively higher temperature. These phenomena El Nino and La Nina, directly connected to India climate, directly connected to Indian climate. When there is El Nino, when there is a El Nino, that is the temperature of Eastern Pacific Ocean is higher, then the summer in India are more warmer, and when this is El Nino, that the temperature of Eastern Pacific Ocean is relatively low, then in India winter are more harsh, that is relatively colder. This is the connection between La Nina and El Nino, and please remember that it is irregular periodic. These are not regular. They are coming almost, not almost, after 2 or 6 years. It is not confined that it will begins or it will come after 2 years, but it is periodic that it will come, but the time period is not fixed. Please keep in mind, and I hope that you can easily memorize that La Nina stand for colder region, colder temperature. I hope that now there is no confusion between La Nina and El Nino. Okay, thanks for watching. Do subscribe now for other tips and tricks. Thank you.